The Day the Crayons Quit, written by Drew Daywalt, retold by James in 206. Duncan went to take out his crayons. Instead, he found out a stack of letters. He finds a letter from Red Crayon. Red Crayon is complaining that he is working too much. Then Duncan finds a letter from Purple Crayon. Purple Crayon is not happy that Duncan is coloring outside of the lines. Then Duncan finds a letter from Beach Crayon. And Beach Crayon is not happy that he doesn't get to do anything. Gray Crayon complains that he is used to color too big objects. White Crayon is feeling empty because he is the color of the paper Duncan is using to draw on. Black Crayon asks to be used to draw something that is not colored in by the other crayons. Orange Crayon says he is the true color of the sun and yellow is not. Blue is saying he is used too much and he is way too short. Duncan wants his crayons to be happy. What will Duncan draw? Read to find out.